Ever tried to figure out a real-world puzzle? Like, you have $100 for a party. You've already spent $20 on a cake. How many party favors can you afford if they cost $4 each? You could guess, or you could use a secret language that gives you the exact answer every time. That language is algebra. It's not just for math tests. It's a tool for turning messy, real-life stories into clear, solvable models. There's a simple four-step method. First, you define your unknown. Let's call the number of party favors f. Second, you write the expression. The cost is 4 times f plus the $20 cake. Third, you form the equation. 4f plus 20 equals your total budget, 100. Finally, you solve. 4f equals 80, which means f equals 20. You can buy exactly 20 party favors, no guesswork needed. This same method works everywhere. Trying to save for a new gaming console? Algebra tells you exactly how many weeks it'll take. The equation 40w plus 120 equals 400 solves to 7 weeks. Need to find the length of a rectangular garden with a known perimeter? The formula 2L plus 2W equals P becomes a simple equation you can solve. Even science relies on it. To figure out how long a road trip will take, you use the famous formula, distance equals rate times time. If a car travels at 60 kilometers per hour, how long to go 150 kilometers? The equation 60t equals 150 tells you it's exactly 2.5 hours. This is the real power of mathematics. It's not about abstract numbers floating on a page. It's about taking a confusing situation, finding the hidden pattern, and building a model that gives you clarity. It's about learning to see the world through algebraic eyes.